everyone, do you know that how easily, quickly you can create quizzes and other form of assessment on Microsoft Teams? For this purpose, you have to go to the website office365.com and sign into Office 365 official account. When this window will appear, you have to go to the forms, click on new quiz. Here you have to give the title. When you click on this tab, add new, many options will appear in front of you. When I clicked on the choice, this box will appear in front of me, so I can give the question which is having two choices or many more I can add from here. By this option, we can click on it. This option will show you that if your answer is correct, then click on it. If your answer B is correct, then click on it. If your answer C is correct, then you have to click on it. If you wanted to add one more question, then you have to click on the add new option. The same thing will appear in front of you. I'm having my form already I have created, so I'm going there quiz. So look at this. This form is appear in front of me and this is of 20 points. When I clicked on it, this is same as I have done in front of you. If this answer is correct, you have to click on it and then you have to give your points, how much you wanted to give. Office 365 will automatically save this form in the quiz or form area. If you will type the date in this area, then you will be able to know at what date you are going to upload. So I'm going to write the date here. Now we are going back to the Teams and we will see there how we can assign a quiz to a student. We will go into the class first. Click on the assignment tab. When you click on the create option and click on quiz, the window will appear in front of you. You can choose the form that you have already created in Office 365. I have already created the quiz and I can take the quiz which I have created. Now it is ready and you have to give the due date and click on the assign option. When students will solve quiz in their respective interface, Teams will grade them quickly. Hope you understand how we can create forms and quizzes. Thank you so much for watching this.